Hi folks, I ordered this lavaner diesel heater from China, AliExpress, on the 13th of, well, Friday past, 13th of September, Friday the 13th, at 10 to 2 in the afternoon in Scotland, and it's arrived on the 15th of September, Sunday afternoon, so over the weekend. It's arrived from China to Scotland, and it arrived at 13:36. So that is actually less than 48 hours for ordering it to arriving from China. I mean, how can you get better service than that? Royal Mail can't even deliver a first class letter in less than a week. So it can be done. This is for my camper, so happy days. Hope everything's there. So here we are upon opening the box. It is my diesel heater. So here's I must say, very strong quality fittings. Heating duct, elbow, another elbow, two vents, turnable vents. Aye, very good. Declaration of conformity. And a list of parts that's in the box, all beautifully packaged. 3M sticky pads as well, which is a good thing. I take it that's the controller. I'm not going to take it out yet, but there's the actual heater, wiring harness, and whatever, fuel tank, pipes, etc. Aye, very good, well packaged. Yeah. So it all seems to be here. Doesn't look like it comes with the diesel tank, which is a bit of a bugger, because I wanted a separate tank. But never mind, can sort that out easy enough. And the quality is really good. All stainless. Mine, I can't compare to the cheaper Chinese stuff because I've never had them before. It's my first heater. But everything's really top quality stainless. A heating shroud for the exhaust, rubber, heat property jacket, which is good. Quality fuel pipe. A fuel trap filter, I take it, that's you're able to clear the diesel, and all the fittings. Some more of these. I don't know what they're all for. Hopefully a quality fuel pump. A hanger. Gasket kit. Gauze. Seems okay. Stainless exhaust. What else? Floor turret. I think I'll be getting don't know, looks good quality anyway. Aye. I'll make another video fitting it maybe, if I remember. But that's it for now, folks. Seems quality bit of kit.